Dave, I think we have arrived.
You want me to say anything?
There it is. Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. We'll socially distance here. Anyway, everybody, I'm going to tease this one this morning. Coach 896. This is a new consignment, double slide, XL2. This coach right here, Coach 896, is a 2005, under 100,000 miles, good floor plan. We're going to be bringing you that as soon as it gets through the Dave Bash inspection and a good wash. As you can see, it's fresh from the road. Just driving it around the parking lot this morning. And other than that, I just wanted to tease this, Coach. Dave, you're the guy that's going to be inspecting this, and I know you're inspecting a coach this morning, and you are on the phones this morning as part of tech support. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So he's on tech support. He's doing a lot. He's wearing a lot of hats, even though you don't have one. Other than that, busy times right now at Marathon, I assume. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate you rolling around with me.
Staying very busy.
That's good. So Dave's going to do the inspection on this, and we're going to bring you this one soon. But if you're interested in a 2005 double slide X with a great floor plan, low miles, well maintained with lots of records, this will be the coach. Reach out to me, MALW, that's MalW, at marathoncoach.com, and I'll be able to give you some information on this and get you in it, get you on down the road. We're going to go inside and look at a new shell. I know there's an X3 shell in there waiting for us to take a look.
Okay.
So thanks, Dave. I appreciate your time.
problem.
All right.
You want to take this apart again?
Yeah, if you want to. If you want to. We can watch Dave take it and park it. He helped me unpark it this morning. But we took it on a little test drive. Drives really nice. That's part of the inspection that we do on coaches when they come in. Oh, I forgot my phone. Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. So other than that, you guys, we're gonna go inside and kind of show you what's going on. Take a look at this paint job. This is pretty. Looks like we're doing some battery testing here, but love this paint job. If you've got any questions, there goes Dave right there. If you got any questions, feel free to throw them at us. We got Abigail with us this morning, and she's going to be throwing some questions at us. All right, we're going to head inside. I'm going to mask up. It's what's going on in the state of Oregon. It's what's going on here at Marathon. What's up, Gary? So we got to be safe. We got to wear our masks. That's what they're telling us we got to do, so we're going to do it. 1348, that's the X3, or excuse me, that's the triple slide H3. That's cool. 1347, another coach that's almost completed. But I want to walk inside this shell. We're going to walk inside an X3 shell. Just got here. This is coach 1360. This is a coach that we're going to follow throughout its production. This is a custom coach, and the owner will appreciate us showing it through production. We're going to keep him anonymous, but we're going to go inside and take a look at this new shell. First thing everybody wants to see is the exterior, though, John. Unpolished stainless, unpainted. This guy got here last week from Prevost, and it's now in what's called shell prep. This coach will go to paint in about a week. These might be locked. No, we can look inside. Take a look in here. Before Marathon infrastructure gets in there, look at that, you guys. You can see all the structure of the chassis. You see the Prevost beam that runs all throughout the middle of the coach. Look how huge that is. Let's walk inside. Another cool thing is both slides are in. I'll let you go in front of me, John, and I'll walk behind you. Both slides are in. And this is literally the first day that this shell has been in the building. It arrived from Quebec last week. We brought it in this morning. And what you're going to see some prep being done to the substructure up top here. Basically some things that allow us to attach the ceiling. And then they have a whole checklist to work things off, and then it goes down to paint. It'll be in paint for over a month. But in this view, you get to see it with the slides in on the first day it's here. The X3 shell, very cool. Coach 1360. Cool, cool. This is another thing you don't get to see very often, because usually when I show you a shell, when I show you guys a shell, it's got this seat completely removed. This is the same frame that we will build on, but that is what it looks like. That is a Prevost seat. And then we will take it down to what I like to call the skeleton. We will add lots of padding. We will add all the features like massage, and then put on the custom leather of that. And the steering wheel is the smart wheel from Prevost with the smart controls here. Everything from your shades to your transmission retarder are controlled on these. Very cool. And also, you guys know that we custom do, if this leather needs to be changed, or this wood grain needs to be changed, we do that for the custom coach. But this right here is designed to protect it. But it's always cool to see not only the seat and the steering wheel as it came, but this plastic dash. I'll let John get a good shot while I step out. That dash is the Prevost dash, and that completely comes out, and Marathon does a custom fiberglass dashboard that we make out of fiberglass, and then we add padding to it, then we wrap it completely in leather, and that allows us to add the features that a Marathon would need. Not just a Prevost, but a Marathon. All right, let's boogie. That's it for that shell. That's Coach 1360. And since we're live on social media, we're going to be social with these two coaches behind us. Let's go take a look. Hop up in here, John, take a look. This is 1347. Very cool. H3 double slide. As you can hear, the audio system is being tested, but all the way through this coach, several things going on. This coach has probably got about a week to 2 weeks remaining at the most. Very cool. Let's go look at 48. Oh, here's a cool thing you can see. We'll move this box. You could see the fireplace in the front, and then the TV lift behind it. The TV is on, but it's sunk in. And if you hit this button, see that? Yeah, thanks, John. There it is. And then 1348. 1348, we're gonna walk in here and check it out. I'll let you go first, John. Triple slide. This is the one with the super bath. We showed this a couple weeks ago. Things are coming along quite nicely in this coach. Great floor plan in here. One of my favorite floor plans is the super bath. You guys know that about Marathon. A couple years ago, we came out with that super bath in the rear, and it is It's the best utilization of space in the rear of when a coach has 2 slides in the back. As you can see, the shower's coming along quite well. Look at that tile work in there. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We don't play around. Look at that. And this is a big shower. Take a look at me standing in here. And I'm no tattoo from Fantasy Island. I'm a little bit larger. So take a look at me standing in this shower. There's a lot of room in here. So, hey, Marcy. Marcy, I get these jokes at home. My wife doesn't laugh anymore. My son does, though. My daughter does, too. Oh, I'm going to be so excited to see this one done. You guys know I think this paint job is one of the best we've ever done. So it'll be really great to see this coach completed. 1348. So that's pretty cool. We got to see 896, a new consignment coming in. Like I said, email me about that. We're going to take a look at that one in the coming weeks. We got to see Custom Coach 1360. That's the new shell, just arrived. 1347, almost completed, and 1348 right behind me, almost completed. Abigail, before we get out of here, are there any thoughts or questions that we want to throw at everybody?
I only have one from Ron DeMario saying, Mal, is Marathon is going to showcase a coach at the upcoming RV show in Pennsylvania?
I'm not sure. Ron is asking if Marathon is going to be at an RV show in Pennsylvania. Here's the best way to do it. Best way to do it is email me, and I'll get back to you. Check the website also, you guys. Marathon is all over the country. We've got those 3 locations, and we've got salespeople all over. We've got a great marketing team, so we are quite busy. I know that Jim Cogley and myself are getting ready to go down to the desert very soon. And so there's a lot happening down in the desert, starting with October 31st through mid-November. We're going to do some kickoff events in the Indio area. So if you're going to be down there for Desert Shores, Outdoor Resorts Indio, or of course, Motor Coach Country Club, right there on Avenue 48 in Indio, California, there's a lot going on in November. So reach out to me if you're going to be coming down. We've got some events, and we'd love for you to stop by and say hello. So Ron, to answer your question, I'm not sure about Pennsylvania. Check the website or email me, and I'll be able to get back to you as far as if we are coming to that individual event in Pennsylvania. Other than that, you guys, be yourself and do good things. It's recess time, so I'm going to go out and play some tetherball. Take care, everybody.